just wanna give you all my night, but you are not here, my lover.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sara and I make cleaning videos here on my channel. If you enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Today's video is a power hour. That means I will try to clean as much as I can in only 1 hour. I started in my kitchen by putting away clean dishes to make space for the new ones.
Life is happening, building my luck. Now I'm living what I've dreamed. All the goals I had since I was child are bringing colors every day to my life. It doesn't matter everything I've got. If I'm alone, it ain't worth nothing. I just remember meeting you at Bangkok, and the story we just started to write. The pages in my bed are waiting for your beauty tonight. I need to understand if we will meet again to write.
Now I'm moving to my stovetop, which is so dirty. I cook almost every single day and I have to say I'm not the cleanest cook in the world, so our stove is dirty most of the time. Now I will clean the countertops to remove all the crumbs and the dirt, and then I will wipe it down with these antibacterial surface wipes. I will also use these wipes on kitchen tiles and the handles. Now I'm moving to the dining table, which is full of random items. I will sort that out and wipe down the table as well.
Shivers ran through my spine with the freezing moonlight. It's long after midnight, but my eyes are open wide. Dying of inner pain, I can hardly feel it. Maybe I've gone insane, but it seems like your voice is calling my name. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Wake me up from my dreams, full of sadness and tears. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past, leaving it all behind. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Free, 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 free.
I also decided to replant the flower that I have on the dining table in a little bit bigger pot.
Shivers ran through my spine with the freezing moonlight. It's long after midnight, but my eyes are open wide. Dying of inner pain, I can hardly feel it. Maybe I've gone insane, but it seems like your voice is calling my name.
Now I'm washing the remaining dishes so that I can clean out the sink and finally be done with the kitchen.
Wake me up from my dreams, full of sadness and tears. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past, leaving it all behind. And I know you can save me. I know you can set me free. Free, 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 free.
Next room that I have to clean is living room, which is a total mess. I will start by cleaning the coffee table and then I will dust the TV stand and fold a couple of clothes.
swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days, one of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. I die before I try to reason with the devil. Won't play a losing game. I ain't about to settle. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Grab me a tissue. The world's gone shallow. But I've been wasting so much time trying to figure out what's mine instead of just living my own life. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. But I've been wasting so much time trying to figure out what's mine instead of just living my own life. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, maybe I can get it right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. One of these days, someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right.
Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of
The last thing that I have to do is tidy up the laundry room. I will sort the clothes that are on the floor, dust the table that I have in here, and clean the window.
only love, only love, only love. Time is a constant reminder of fate. It's fixed in this moment. Please stop. Wake me up.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really tried to do as much as I could in this 1 hour, and I'm actually really proud of myself that I did so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.